Welcome to this video on the Static Voltage Regulator, or SVR. This is the next generation of solid-state power protection technology. We begin in Section 01 by understanding the SVR, defining the technology and its core purpose. The SVR is a solid-state regulator, meaning it has zero moving parts. It uses power electronics for instant voltage regulation, eliminating mechanical friction. It also provides precise control, continuously monitoring input voltage to ensure a constant output for your machines. The top three advantages include ultra speed, correcting voltage in under 20 milliseconds. High safety protects against spikes and sudden surges. Finally, high efficiency ensures it consumes very little power during operation. The power of SVRs lies in their thyristors, controlled by a microprocessor brain, which is a digital signal processor. The system makes thousands of calculations per second to keep voltage within a tight plus or minus 1% range. This extreme performance allows for instant correction in only 20 milliseconds. Standard stabilizers take 1 to 2 seconds to move a motor, making the SVR over 100 times faster. This protects sensitive electronics from brownouts. Key technical specifications include plus or minus 1% output accuracy, a correction speed under 20 milliseconds, and an efficiency greater than 98%. It also features a 100% continuous industrial duty cycle. Comparing correction speed, the SVR, or static regulator, corrects in just 20 milliseconds. This is significantly faster than servomotor-type regulators at 1000 milliseconds and relay types at 150 milliseconds. The SVR provides the fastest response time in the industry. SVRs are ideal for medical and industrial applications where failure is not an option. This includes MRI and CT scanners, precision CNC machines, broadcasting centers, and data storage facilities. The SVR also includes several forms of built-in protection. This covers overload protection, short-circuit safeguard, phase loss detection, and lightning protection with integrated surge suppressors.